Dear YouTubers, dear friends.
101, 102, 103, 104.
I actually made only 4 of them. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video after a little break. My name is Denis, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I've been away a while. Not just that I made total break of social media, but I also had a little issues with health. I hope it's nothing too serious, but I will have to wait for the blood results. Anyway, there are a lot of videos about the situation that is going on right now, so I won't go in details about it. Slovenia, where I'm from, is almost under complete lockdown. That means we can go to store to buy some food, or in case if we need some roll of paper. And of course, if you have to go to work that you can't work from home, you can go. I mean, we still can go outside and walk around the buildings and so on, but if we see someone, we need to stick on the distance. On the other hand, we all can see the news and what is going on with my neighbors from Italy and how Spain follows them. And as a bonus, the earthquakes in Croatia. Can it be even worse as it is? But let's get back to the track. I know that I owe you a lot of product reviews, and I was thinking about them. So as I was thinking about you guys. I'm not gonna review any of them today, but I'm gonna show you what you can expect in the next few videos. So what will I review in the next few videos? Just a second. Here we go! One of the products that I will review is the Comica Boom XD D1 and UC1, and you can actually combine them together if you want as the D2 or UC2 as you wish kit. This is the kit of the microphones that I will talk about them more in the next couple of videos. Then if we continue with one very big bag from Pixel. This is actually my new main light that I'm using right now, and I'm also gonna talk about it in the next video. Actually, in one of the next videos. What else do we have here? Magic Watch 2 from Honor, which I'm wearing right now. Then we have True Wireless Stereo Earbuds by Boya. Next product is Aton Cube RX1 from Pilotfly, which, if you can see this part here, is actually lightning me right now. Then if we continue, we also have Viltrox 85mm f1.8 for Sony cameras. Amazing lens. Moving on to some gimbals like Moza Mini S from Feiyutech Vlog Pocket, and more gimbals for your phones, and especially very good gimbal for your action cameras, iSteady Pro 2 from Hohentech. I'm also thinking to make the review of one of the NAS devices for content creators, but I still don't know which brand, which model, and so on. That's why make sure to hit the subscribe button for my channel, and that you will get notified. Also press the bell button down below, so you can make sure to see the video first when all of these videos will come out. And now, when you know what I will review in the upcoming videos, let me know in the comment section down below what you would like to see the first. Also, don't forget to stay at home, don't forget to wash your hands on a regular basis, and as most important, stay safe and healthy. That's it for today, guys, and until the next time, stay in love. Peace!